this screencast, I'm going to demonstrate how to do an advanced search in MRLn, which stands for MTAS Research Library Online. From the MRLn homepage, I'm going to click over to the Advanced Search tab. At the top of this page, there are tips for how to construct a successful search if you ever need to refresh your memory. Below that, there are multiple search fields that you can use. When I say field, what I mean is a piece of information within a record which can be queried. Every record in MRLn is composed of multiple fields, such as author and title. Here on the advanced search page, you can search specific fields individually, or you can combine them in different ways using the drop-down beside each field. Those drop-downs have three options, and, or, not. The All Fields field at the top will search in all of the fields in a record, so it's sort of a catch-all. For this demo, I'll enter firefighter into the All Fields field, and I'm going to combine this with the media type field, and from there I'm going to select job description. When I do this search, I get 10 results. They're all job descriptions, and they all have the word firefighter somewhere in their record. This time I'm going to search for records that have the word water in their subject field. Subjects are words or phrases that describe the topic of a library item, and everything in MRLn has at least one subject assigned to it. Next, I'm going to change this operator word by the call number field to or. And I'm going to enter the word water into that field as well. Records for certain materials in MRLn, including books and periodical articles, have a call number, which is the main topic that the item is about. So keep in mind that a record may have many subjects, but only one call number at most. So in this example, if I wanted to research water, but I wasn't sure if it was best to look for records with a subject of water or a call number of water, I could use OR to get the most possible results. This search will find any record that has either a subject heading related to water or a call number related to water. Maybe both, but at least one or the other. When I do that search, I get 240 results. If I change that operator word back to and, that's going to restrict the search or narrow down the results, because this is telling MRLn to look for only records that have a subject related to water and also a call number related to water. So we go from 240 results to only 101. I could also change the operator word from and to not, and then I could change the search word there to wastewater. The operator word not will exclude search terms from your results. So if I wanted records with a subject related to water, but not anything with wastewater in its call number, I would do this search. Anything with wastewater in the call number will be mostly about wastewater, not water. And let's say for this example that I'm not interested in that. So I've set up this search to try to keep out irrelevant results. I get 122 results. As far as these operators between search fields go, OR will broaden your search results by searching for either of the criteria you specify, and will narrow results down, and not will also narrow results by excluding particular words. To recap, there are a lot of ways to construct an advanced search, but if you run a complicated search using 3 or more fields and a mixture of those operator words, you may not get the results you expect. In that case, if you get stuck and you can't find what you need, please reach out to the MTAS library and we'll be happy to help you. Our phone number and email address are at the bottom of every page in MRLn, and we look forward to hearing from you.